Can you fly in the winter time when the temperature is below the 0 degrees Celsius that's in the specification for the DJI Mini 3 Pro? Of course you can. Just make sure to keep your batteries heated before you take off. These recordings are made between 0 and -5 Celsius. Let me just add in a bonus tip here in the middle of this montage. If you end up in a situation where the drone refuses to take off because it says that the batteries are too cold, then simply just push the sticks inwards and let the motors run for a period of time, and then you can see under the battery tab that the drone and everything is heating up. And after a couple of minutes, you will be able to take off. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.